Hiya dear viewers and welcome to my channel. It's been a minute since last time I've posted, but I'm back after finally finishing school and having all summer to post. I'm Maribel, a 14-year-old self-taught digital artist, and I'm so excited to finally share all of my OCs with all of you. If you're into creepy stories, OC lore, Genshin Impact, analog horror, horror games, and Vocaloid, then you're in the right place. On this channel, I'll be posting speedpaints, storytime videos, and art challenges. I also love creating original characters and making up stories, so you'll definitely be seeing a lot of my OCs and their lore here. I also enjoy drawing horror and unsettling themes, so expect some creepy art and stories every now and then. So if you love art, OCs, stories, and a little bit of spook, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my videos, and maybe interact with some of your OCs in the future. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, future videos are coming up. I promise you guys. I promise.